Why does your scanner show the P2195 engine code? What does it mean? P2195 is a diagnostic trouble code for oxygen sensor signal biased or stuck lean. This engine code indicates that the engine could be running lean or that there is a fault in the air-fuel oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty upstream oxygen sensor. Vacuum leaks. Dirty or failing mass airflow sensor. Fuel injector issues. Low fuel pressure. Exhaust leaks. Wiring issues. Faulty engine control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in most vehicles equipped with OBD2 systems, including cars like Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, and even European brands like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.